Annie Hathaway sports Carolina Herrera look and PVC slingbacks for the Met Gala 2025 red carpet. The shoes feature a clear slingback strap. Annie Hathaway dressed up for the 2025 Met Gala in Carolina Herrera ensemble set off by a pair of subtle slingback heels. Annie Hathaway embraced the dandyism theme with a white collar shirt tucked into a figure-hugging skirt with a crystal embellished striped pattern and dramatic slit. The actress accessorized with dazzling jewelry from Bulgari, a brand she serves as an ambassador for. She was part of the group at the Met Gala, debuting the label's polychrome line. She wore a statement necklace featuring a sugar loaf sapphire among other pieces from Bulgari. As for shoes, Annie Hathaway looked to be wearing a pair of heels also from Carolina Herrera, showcasing a minimalist design. The shoes featured a point two in front, a clear PVC slingback strap in that wrapped around the heel, and a skinny flared heel that elevated the set. The red insole of the brand could be seen as well, providing a bold hint of color to the look. From the runway, this style can be found with a floral embroidery can be found on the Carolina Herrera website. The 2025 Met Gala unfolded on my 5 the first Monday in my at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City with the theme Superfine. Tailoring black style which examines black dandyism. Celebrity co-chairs included Coleman Domingo, Pharrell Williams, ASAP, A. Rocky, and Lewis Hamilton. LeBron James was an honorary co-chair this year. The philanthropic event raised $71 million for the Costume Institute, a record-breaking number for the Met Gala. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.